important event today that we are going to initiate, as it is required for whole world, and not only in Sri Lanka, and our Sri Lankan condition also, that the diabetic is a matter at the moment, and our productivity goes down because of this situation, and there's a huge need in the country. When we do most of our awareness programs, we identified new the patients with the diabetic, and they are not aware of having diabetic. So this is one important thing that we have to adapt widely across the country. And so this year, as the district government and my team is ready for that, we do have ongoing program, the diabetic, as well as we have the chairpersons and special coordinators for diabetic programs, and our Dr. Sarath Samarage is the resource person who always provide us all the information awareness program, and he linked the government office also along with the Lionism, so that is very much important. So this is timely needed program that we are looking for, and thank you very much, the District Governor Vinod and District leaders Mehta and from India, and I'm very happy that B1 is joining with us. Thank you very much, Lion Victor, and I warmly welcome all of you for this very important meeting. And we will discuss how we can organize this activity in fruitful manner. Thank you. Over to you.
Thank you, Governor. Now it's time for Lion Vinod to open the discussion from your end.
Thank you, PDC Wilson, sir. You have been very dynamic for replying back to the email that I sent you. And,
thank you.
Dr. Sharath also has been very helpful in this matter. And from 306 B1, Lion Stephen has been Victor Stephen has been very active. So I'm sure this campaign can be successfully implemented in both of your districts in a very good manner. Yes. Can Saminda, can you make me co-host so that I can share my video that I have to present now? So what I'm going to do is, I will show you one video that I have recorded, which talks about the risk factors for diabetes, how we calculate the risk factors, how a district is set up, and what are the benefits for the club. Once we go through that, then Lion Rupesh will actually provide a live demo of one of your clubs from your district. Then we'll have Lion Danish, who is the GST coordinator from 317B. He will share his experience of how he has done. He has done very wonderful in his district. And then we'll go for the question answer session. I'm sure you will have a lot of questions coming forward. Okay, thanks for making me co-host. So I'm going to share you, I will display a video regarding the risk factors. Please go through that one second. Is the audio
we always hear the...
Yeah, we can hear.
Yeah.
Yes, it is perfectly going on. Go.
It got stuck.
Yeah, net issue, I think so. At Vinod sir's end.
Better you play again.
We just lost my power, so this thing I just got disconnected. I will share my video once again and
we can't hear you. Okay.
Yeah. One second. Actually, I lost my connection because the power went out. So I have to connect it to my mobile right now. Just one second.
I think you also have a connection issue.
Yeah, because right now I'm using my mobile hotspot, which is
Yeah.
not as good quality as the fiber.
Okay.
Can you hear the video sound?
Yeah. Little
Yes,
okay.
We always hear
yes.
prevention is better than cure. So why can't we apply this to diabetes too? Instead of waiting to serve someone after they get diabetes, why can't we make people aware of their risk of diabetes so that they can take preventive actions? There are many risks that can lead to diabetes. Some of them are your gender. Males have a higher risk than females. If you are a female and had gestational diabetes while pregnancy, you have higher risk for diabetes. Your age, the older you get, the higher your risk for getting diabetes. Have a family history of diabetes. A close relative such as a parent, brother or sister having diabetes increases your risks too. If you have high blood pressure, then you have a higher risk for getting diabetes. If you lead an inactive lifestyle, a person who is not physically active, does not do much exercise and sits around a long time has higher risk to diabetes. If you eat an unhealthy diet like a lot of junk food such as burgers, pizzas, sweets, you have a higher risk for getting diabetes. If your BMI, that is the ratio between your height and weight, is inappropriate, then you have a higher risk for diabetes. How is the risk for diabetes calculated? The Finnish Diabetes Risk Score is a questionnaire to identify individuals at high risk for developing type 2 diabetes. A questionnaire is given to the participant to fill up. Based on his response, the diabetes risk score is calculated. This form is approved by IDC, American Diabetes Association, as well as Lions International with association with IDF. Values are assigned to the responses given by the participants. A gender of male will be assigned a value of 1, female value of 0. If the participant was a female and had gestational diabetes while pregnant, value of 1 will be assigned, else 0. Age factors based on different ranges, values of 0, 1, 2, 3 will be assigned. Family history of diabetes will be assigned of 1. High blood pressure, value of 1 will be assigned if the participant answers yes. Active lifestyle, if no, then a value of 1 is assigned. Healthy diet, if not, then value of 1 is assigned. Body mass indexes, value from 0, 1, 2 or 3 will be assigned. In total, a value of 0 to 12 will be the total score for the participant. A value of 0 to 5 indicates that the person has low risk for diabetes. A value from 6 to 7 indicates slightly elevated risk for diabetes. Value from 8 to 12 indicates high risk and may be likely to have diabetes as well. So how can we use this in Lionism? We have a diabetes risk awareness campaign that all Lion clubs can participate. We have a website called as diabetes.org, which works in all three formats: desktop, mobile or the tablet. Questions similar to the questionnaire will be asked in the web, such as what's your gender, what's your age, any close relative has diabetes, whether you have high blood pressure, whether you exercise regularly, whether you eat healthy food, and your BMI details. Once you provide all this information, Your risk score will be calculated and displayed to you. You can share this in Facebook as well as in Twitter. So how can a line district participate? A district is asked for 4 information. One is the district name, the district governor's photo, the district governor's name, and for each club in the district we need the club number and the club name. Once that is provided, our system will generate that many number of sites for each of the clubs in your district. Each district can participate separately and keep track of their progress separately. The person who will be in charge of the district will be provided a dashboard where the person can see the entire clubs, their performance for each month, as well as issue certificates such as a milestone or the participant certificate from this dashboard. What's the benefit for the participating line club? The club can participate in the international signature project Global Cause Diabetes. The club will be provided a monthly participant certificate that can be reported to MyLines. Milestone certificate will be provided to the clubs on every passing of each milestone such as 50, 100, 250, 500 and so on. We also have something called as the star campaigner, whereas when the club crosses 500, the president of the club is recognized as a star campaigner and displayed on the site permanently. It's a great image building for the Lions Club participating because the results are posted in several social media such as WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, and this could also result in more membership at a later stage. So that's a short video which explains about the risk factor, how it can be implemented for your district as well as. And we already have set up all the needed requirement for your district for both the districts. So each and every club is set up. Now I'll request Lion Rupesh to show a small demo with one of your club from your district so that you can see live how it has been done.
Sir, can you make me co-host so I can share my screen, sir? Sir, Lion Rupesh Mehta, DC from Mumbai district. Yeah, thank you. Thank you very much. I am respected all the dignitaries, DGs and past DGs and all the dignitaries from Sri Lanka. I myself Lion Rupesh Mehta. Thanks for giving us opportunity. I will just give the demo which will be done on mobile itself. So how user friendly it is on mobile because everyone is having a mobile with them. So better is that I will go for demo for mobile only. I'm sharing screen of my mobile and the way I will be doing on the mobile, you will come to know that each and every person can use mobile, which will be very user friendly. I'm starting with sharing my screen. See in the WhatsApp, Vinodji has shared the link, and the process is that I will press this link, and it will dot organize page. So this is the one of the page from your district. Already here it is mentioned two served. Already it is filled by 2 people. This kind of a page will be there for each and every club. Here the name of the club will be mentioned and regularly updated how many people are served will flash on the screen. In the screen you have other details also related to Lionism, related to diabetes, vision, hunger, and everything related to Lionism. So wherever this will go in the mobile of Lions or non-Lions, they will come have a brief detail of our organization. So now what the person has to do, they have to go press this, take the diabetes risk. Now here the select the language options are there. I'm keeping it English, so I'm not going for that. So I will take the diabetes risk test now by just clicking this, and then I will be diverted to this page where first step it is asking your first and last name. I myself will put Rupesh, my first name, and Mehta is my last name. And just then you have to click next. So the second step is in front of you. The question over here is that diabetes risk test, what is your gender, male or female? I will select male. So male will have to give one less question ka answer, but I'm going for male. So next is going to be the question step number 4. Diabetes risk test, what is your age? Here I will put, because I myself is 39, so I'm putting younger than 40. The next will be step number 5. Any close family member such as father, mother, sister, or brother has a diabetes. Yes, my mom and dad both has diabetes. So I have to put yes. 3 options are there. If you know or if you don't know, there's also one option, third option. So I'm clicking yes and proceeding further. The next is diabetes risk test step number 6. Have you ever taken medication for high blood pressure on regular basis? I had never. So I will go for no option, and I will press next button, and automatically I will be get diverted to step number 7, which places in front of me. Here it is, do you exercise regularly? I do it, so I am putting yes. So I will move it to next. The second last step is diabetes risk test. How often do you eat vegetable, fruits, or berries? I do it every week. So here it is mentioned more than 4 weeks or 1 or 2 weeks. So I'm choosing daily. So the next will get diverted to step number 9. Here 2 questions will be asked. One is related to height and weight, because when you input height and weight, it automatically calculates BMI. So no individual have to calculate BMI. It will be done by system itself. My height is 5'11". It is height is being mentioned in inches and feet also, as well as in centimeters. So it is user friendly for all country. Whatever way they are having, it will be done. So 5'11", and again in the weight it is mentioned in kg as well as pounds. So mine is 85. So I'm selecting a second option. And here one small box is there. I have to read and agree. Diabetes.org disclaimer. I had read it, so I will click it yes and get test result. It will be instantly flashed on the screen. So the result for mine is 3/12. So it is placing that low risk for diabetes. Right now your risk is low. Keep it up, and advices given related to it, which I have to follow. And here I having a 3 more option. One is show detailed report. Next is share to Facebook. Always convince the people to share on Facebook, on Square or Twitter, because it will help to reach more and more. Right now, I will go for the option show detailed report, but because before that, just see it is mentioned that third person. When I started this presentation, it was 2 people were served, and I am a third one served by this club. So automatically it updated in the system. Now I will go for show detailed report, which will say give my score, gender risk, age, I got score 0, family I got 1, blood pressure I got 0, physically active I got 0 score. Less score means I am less having a risk of diabetes. On diet I got score 0, body mass index, I don't have to submit body mass index, it is calculated automatically. Here I just submitted height as well as weight, automatic calculator. So you are the third person who was served by this. So if I go to the main screen just now, you will see that already updated. So one test which I had done, so you got it automatic update. So I will stop it right now. Hello, Vinod ji. Hello, Vinod ji, unmute yourself.
Yeah.
Everything went
Thank you,
fine.
Rupesh, for the.
Yeah, just a second.
Yeah.
I will put just one more minute. I will put the link in chat box, so you people can also try it instantly and check it. So although I had done the demo from my end, I am pasting it in chat box, so you also can try it just now itself, which will give you more clear idea. I'd put it in the chat box, so you can also try and see the instantly how user friendly it will be. Yeah, Vinod ji.
Thank you, Rupesh. And to add to the point, like I said, each district will have a dashboard. So when you have 90, 100 clubs, we have to see them all in one place. I'll show you how the dashboard is looking like, and whoever is in charge for your district will be provided the dashboard. I'll just show you the dashboard how it is looking. My internet again, the power went back out, so again little bit problem. See, this is how the dashboard will look like. So for example, now 306A1, as you can see, already it shows for this Lions Club, there is 3 served here. Now it needs minimum 7 served before a certificate will be available. I'll show you for another district how it is looking like. I'll show you our line Ganesh Nathu's 317B. They are doing exceptionally well. So if this is their dashboard. You can see that along with the governors, along with your with their district logo, each club there is in August, July, September how much has been served, and below each club, as they have crossed milestones, they will get number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 links coming up. You can see that for each different district of each different clubs, there's different numbers. Now, for example, Lions Club Fonda City has crossed only 161, so they're only eligible for milestone 50 and 100. If you click on 2, you will see the certificate coming up there. The coordinator can actually download the certificate, post it in the group, and congratulate the club, and it helps motivating the club also at the same time. Similarly, also, if you click on the served number, for example, let's say the top one, Lions Club Karwar, in the month of August, they have served 5,075. If I click on that, you will see the participation certificate for the club. And the nice thing, what we've done is we have put the district logo and the district governor's name on the certificate. So each district have their own personalized certificate. So in your case, your district logo will come up on the certificate also. And now I will also share one more video which shows how a club can participate. How can we ask the club to participate, and how can they be successfully doing that? Just watch this video.
How to run a successful campaign. Campaign teaser video along with your club's campaign page links to various social media such as Facebook, Twitter, YouTube and WhatsApp. This will bring a lot of traffic from this social media to your club campaign page. This video is available to download from the diabetesrisk.org campaign page. You can use the sample text message provided on the campaign page, edit it with your club details and share it on various social medias. Encourage participants who take the risk test, including yourself and club members, to share the result in Facebook and Twitter. A beautiful card result is posted to your timeline. Friends who sees and clicks on this post are diverted. You can conduct mini health camp using your mobile. Ask your family members to check their risk score using your mobile. In a social gathering, ask friends to check their risk score using your mobile. In Office, you can check risk scores of your co-workers, campaign videos and share them in social media. Ask the president or club members to create a video and share it in various social medias like Facebook, YouTube and WhatsApp. This is also a great image builder for the club.
Now I will like line Dhyanesh Nathu to present his success story in 317B, how he started the campaign and what is his currently his status on his district.
Good morning to all. I am PMGF Lion Dhyanesh Nathu, District GST Coordinator for District 317B. I thank Lion Vinod Devasaiya for giving me the opportunity to take my success story of my district. As I just want to share that Vinod Devasaiya is my ELI batchmate from Delhi. From that friendship today, we are able to spread the diabetes awareness campaign in our district also. When Mr. Vinod Devasaiya told me about this campaign, I was very much excited. Why? Because in the district and the clubs, in this time, in the COVID times, it is told that there is due to spread of pandemic, we cannot go outside, we cannot do activities. So with this idea, the club members can participate in this online awareness campaign and do the reporting to international also, as well as they can spread the awareness for the society. So I am happy to share that till our district contains of whole of Goa and 10 districts of Karnataka. In that we have got 103 Lions Club and 24 Leo clubs. So totally put together 127 Lions and Leo clubs, where all the clubs are participating in this activity. Already our district has given 147 milestone awards to the clubs. And I am also happy to share that 15 are the star campaigners president. Also the name and the photograph is published on the diabetesrisk.org as per the yesterday's data. And in the month of July, there is a detailed report which is given on the website in the campaign. In the month of July, the total number of our all clubs put together, because it was that time recently launched. So only we get all the data from July, how many, who has performed and what is the total number of beneficiaries. In the month of July, our total district has served only 165, but this spiked up to many times in the month of July. Total number of beneficiaries in the month of July for our whole district is 27,236. Again, in the month of September, the total number is 3,507. And as of now, our district has a total beneficiary of 30,908, which is the data for today. So what happens, sir? One more story I want to share. When we give the instant e-awards to the clubs, they get a spike and they get a motivation that I should also do. So like how Mr. Lion Vinod has given the milestone awards starting from 50, 100 to 50, 500, 1,000, 5,000 and 10,000. So small fills the big ocean. So like that, people are getting motivated and they are doing more and more and more. And now I have started receiving from the presidents of the club that with the screenshot of the diabetes awareness campaign, sir, our club has already done 250, our club has already done 100. So please publish our name, because as a human being, sir, we like someone to appreciate us. We like to someone to see what we have done. So the instant e-awards, they don't have to wait for the award ceremony. So you achieve it, you get the award, and it is posted in all the platforms, like we have got PST group, we have got the district chairperson group, we have got ZCRC group. All the e-awards are posted in all the groups. Along with that, we have got a Facebook page of 317B, we have got a Twitter handle, everything it is published. So people are much excited for that. And As I told, we have already achieved 147 milestones. So I thank Lion Vinod for giving us an opportunity. This was a success story. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Lion Ganesh Nathu. Your incredible story will definitely motivate all of us to do more. And with a dynamic team in 306A1 and B1, I'm sure we'll be hearing successful stories soon from Sri Lanka also. And I can see PDG Wilson smiling, so I'm sure definitely it is going to happen. So now let us go ahead with questioners, because I'm sure you will have a lot of questions about it.
I do have one or two questions. Can I ask them now?
Yes. Yes, please.
Yeah, the question is that you have shown the certificate. Is it a digital certificate or the certificate which comes through the international? Or is it a digital?
No, this is it's a digital certificate. See, okay. It is generated automatically on the site as soon as a club is eligible for it. For example, if a club do minimum 7 in that month, they are eligible for the participant certificate. When they cross 50, they will get the first certificate milestone of 50. And what you can do is you can take it one step ahead, because the certificates contain your name and your district logo in it. So maybe in a region meet or in your one of your cabinet meet or something, you can actually print out this certificate and hand it over to them physically also. That also is a great motivation for the clubs.
Yeah, thank you. And there's another question. So how the repeatability? Sometimes the number might be repeated again and again with the other names or the different names like. So can you answer for that question?
Yeah. See, in the initial stage, what we had done was to reduce this problem. We had asked for name, we had asked for email ID and the phone numbers. But because this campaign is going worldwide, people from US, Canada, Europe, they have said this is an issue with Data Privacy Act, and we are not supposed to ask these details. So, and of course, see, I can do a lot of things. I can try to say, okay, you cannot repeat the same number, same name again. But again, see, for example, if a person name is Manoj, in the district there can be 10 Manojas also. So it is, see, if a person want to cheat, they can do whatever they want to do. It's like we are providing a knife to the person. You can do surgery with it, or you can do something wrong with it also. So if we can get even 50% of the people doing the right way, I think the campaign is quite successful.
Yeah,
and and internally, I have a check. What we are doing is, whenever a test is posted, I am storing the IP address of from where it is coming. So if you really want to see if a club is performing right or wrong, you can always send me a message. I can show you what is the percentage of different IP address. For example, yesterday from Bangalore, one club did 500 in one day, 7 hours. Immediately people have a doubt, oh, something is wrong in this thing. But when I checked the IP addresses, we had 470 different IP addresses. So they did a real genuine effort. So there are genuine people also. There will be some cases where there will be a problem. So it's up to, and as far as I keep quiet, if the club wants to cheat, it is their problem, not ours.
Okay.
I will like to add one point on this, if permits.
Yeah,
ma'am. Yeah, the advantage of this thing is that we had one district where there are medical centers are there, hospitals are there. There keep the admin is given this thing, and whoever comes now, they do from the same IP address, but that's also using this thing as a genuinely. So whoever visits their 10 patients, 100 patients, 1,000 patients, they do on the instant of them. And the same thing, we can use this when we travel somewhere, we interact with other people, we can use our mobile to give them, insert that data and get the result for them. So every coin has two sides. The way we take it, I'm able to add it. Thank you.
And one more question, the last question from me. Suppose that we have identified high risk patients through this app. So what is the next? Do you have any directions for them to given by the consultation or something like that? Any directions to them?
Actually, before we used to take the phone numbers also. So for those high risk people, we were planning to actually get a list of data and submit to the club so that they can do the second action. But because of this Data Privacy Act, we have to remove this thing off. So what we are planning ahead of time is in the website we have some materials for diabetes. They can refer to that and see how to have a better life. And in the future, we'll be adding some more material, like especially if the person is high risk, we will show more links to them where they can click on it and get more advices. And
Excellent.
of course, in the card also, we are mentioning, please consult your doctor immediately. We are mentioning that also.
Okay, thanks.
Our project coordinator, Dr. Sarasambar, may be having something to ask.
Yeah, he's a doctor. That's what I'm very afraid of now. and we have to refer to him as Sir Sharath, I believe.
Yeah.
He has been knighted by Queen Victoria, so it's a big honor to have him on board.
Doctor is saying something. I think he has not.
Doctor, unmute yourself, sir. Doctor, sir, unmute yourself.
Unmute.
Yeah, now you will be able. Come on, sir. You can say.
Okay, thank you. Firstly, let me congratulate and thank for this very good initiative. And the team. I'm sure this will be caught up in our district also and will be look for the cooperation of everybody. A few questions. One is the language, because the majority of in Sri Lanka speak Sinhala and I think Tamil. Yeah, I think so. Not there. Is there a possibility of getting because majority?
Okay. I will share you the screen right now, and I'll show you Tamil, but I don't think it is Sinhali Tamil or Indian Tamil, because Google Translator provides whatever they have. So I will check if there is a Sinhali Tamil, but I'll show you how right now translator is looking like. Just hold on. When you go to diabetes.org, at the translator option, we have a Tamil language.
Yes.
And because it's a Google translator, the grammar will not be fully correct. So you have to excuse with whatever it is there. I don't know whether you can read this one. This is Tamil.
Yeah, this is Tamil, not Sinhalese.
Yeah.
Correct. Okay. So I'll look into it. The good thing about this translation is the entire test becomes in Tamil. As you can see this thing, you will see everything will be in Tamil. All the question answers, everything will turn up.
Right.
Yeah, I can understand that. Yeah.
Okay, great. Great. So sometimes something is better than nothing, and it helps because sometimes English is not the strong language everywhere. So that's why we got up with this option. And the result also will be in Tamil.
Right.
So I will also check if there is a Sinhalese Tamil also available. If it is there, I will implement that also. Yes.
Then the next question is that we are doing, is there a possibility to add to this, or whether the facility is already there to provide the other information, because we have been doing screening throughout. We have a diabetes screening center tied up with our Gift of Sight Hospital, and continuously we have screening and sometimes we have outreach programs and organized by clubs. And so currently we are putting it into Excel sheet and analyze how many were screened. Is there a possibility of building, conducting awareness programs, doing screening programs like that? That sort of activities of the clubs also put it to be added. Only the risk assessment is the only criteria, only activity analyzed.
Correct. Actually, it's a very good idea. So we'll talk to each other. We'll see how this can be implemented and taken to the next level. That is actually a very good
At
idea.
least the number screened will be an indication, because then they will be doing real activities in detecting.
Okay. May I disturb you, sir?
Sure.
Since Mehta mentioned about our hospitals and all that, I think Lion Pamela will be having some problems. Lion Pamela, are you there?
Yes, unmute herself. Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you now.
Yeah, I have some problem regarding this technology field. So I need to allocate some storage or IT facility like that for this kind of system, or it's totally the cloud basis one?
Actually, in this case, you have to do nothing. Everything is set up for you. All the server is done. The district setup is done. In this case, there's no cost to the district also. There is nothing to be done. Everything has been handled by us. All you have to do is participate and serve together. That's our idea behind it.
Propaganda. Spread it to main.
No worry about any infrastructure, no? No worry about any infrastructure.
No, nothing. Everything is set. Right now, all your 89 clubs, everything is set up and they're ready to participate. And the dashboard, everything is set up. And I will share you the dashboard also in a short while to you. I want to know is who will be in charge, because a couple of people can be in charge of the district. I can share you the links, how all those things I can share you. And we have a global group for this campaign. We can add you in there also, so that we can have more updates there also at the same time.
At the moment, Dr. Sarath is the project chairperson, so you can go through him.
Okay, great. And of course, I'm going to disturb you also, PDG Wilson, sir.
Family person for diabetics. Yes. Yeah.
Yes, Governor.
Good.
Also,
I just wanted to tell about that the Dr. Sarath Samarge is the chairperson for diabetics and the co-chairperson is Pamela. So both are present here. And the LCIF program is running by the past district governor Vijay. So no issue that three of them we can work with.
Yeah. So I will put these three persons as the key persons for the awareness, so that we can communicate with each other and see if any doubts or anything is there, we can coordinate with each other. Yeah. Now, also from 306 B1, line Victor, if you have any questions.
Yes, of course. I have 2-3 questions like now. Our district is having plus 2,500 members. Now you say that this is open to members of the clubs. So we have 89 clubs, and our club, Lions Club of Negombo Orient, we have about 65 plus members. So does this mean that it is only limited to Lions? Or is it, can we get the public to get involved in it?
It's a very, very good question. You have to remember this campaign is not for just Lions. It is for everyone. We are giving this campaign to the Lions so that they can provide the service to the outside people. So when you say you have 65 members in your club, you can calculate 65 into 4 members in your family. Plus, you send it to all your friends who are non-Lions and the general public. You can share it in your Facebook. So the idea is just like any service activity of a Lion, we are not doing only for our Lions. We are doing for the general public. And as I mentioned, that this is a great image building activity for the club. So whatever you're going to do, it will come up with your Lions Club name, not from anywhere else.
Okay, G. That's
So
clear.
best way to reach each and everyone.
Yeah,
You can
that's
reach to big mass through this. Your club name can go to each and every person. As much as you do marketing, it
fine.
will have a great image building also with a service activity together.
So you mean to say that the club will be benefited and the club will get a certificate?
Yes, yes. See,
Okay.
they
Now
get the
what?
certificate. Plus they can submit it to My Lines as a service activity, reporting to My
Yes,
Lines at the same
I
time.
understand. And also another question what I have, these questions might come up when we go to the clubs. Is the certificate issued is originating from the campaign team, or is it recognized by the international?
It's from the campaign team, because I was trying to get from our international president the certificate, but unfortunately they have some board issues. So they have to discuss with the board, which will take a long time. So what we have done is, to make it more easier, we have changed it so that it comes from the district governor. So the district governor's name and your district logo will be there in each of the certificates. So it is individually for each district. So 306A1 and 306B1 will have different certificate based on the governor's name and the logo.
Yeah, already I have enrolled myself, and another club member has enrolled, and 2 are served from Negombo Orient. And the next one is, we also have a site first hospital in Handler, in for belonging to 306B1.
Okay.
And
I think so, sir got disconnected.
Yeah.
Okay.
By the meantime, we can have other questions. If anybody else,
Yes. Let me at this juncture recognize our past district governor. Can you show your face, Lan? Past district governor, Dr. Upali Jayawardena.
Yes, I'm here.
He has done a lot of work for diabetes, and during his tenure of office, he built a diabetes center in the local hospital, in the Panadura hospital. And he is the spouse of the current governor. Welcome.
Okay, I was
So
wondering.
district is having double benefit. District is blessed by PDG as well as DG couple. Lucky district.
Thank you.
We'll give the benefit for the society.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
क्या मैं कुछ कहूँगा Lan Devas,
Yeah.
Now you have said that this is not only for lands. So I am really involved with some organization like United Nations Association, Sri Lanka Friends, some friendship association in Sri Lanka. Can we extend this to that those organizations as well?
Yes, you can definitely. See, it will depend on you whether you want to run this as your club along with that organization, or you want a separate link for that. It will depend on you.
Better go with the Lions name.
Yeah, go with the Lions. Correct.
Yeah, that means if it's a UN function, then we have to go through the Lions name, is it?
Yeah. You can go. Yeah.
That way, see, what happens is, the more served from your district, it's more, you will have more reportable numbers to My Lines. So you can do a joint venture with those organizations.
Yes.
Maybe we can put something for your this thing. We can make up some
twinning or collaboration kind of thing can be worked out.
Is there any benefit for those? Is there any benefit for those organizations?
No,
like receiving certificates and all that.
Yeah. See, that is what. If we want to do that, we can create something for how we have done for a club. We can create a link for their organization also, along with clients. Something like that we can do.
No, that I had to something that he asked for the recognition for that association.
Yeah. See, what we'll do, just like how we created a club, we have 89 clubs in your district. We'll create them as a separate link, which shows as a club. It will look like a club, but with their name on that. So they
we can have a record
and everything. Yeah, they will get their certificates and everything they will get. But only thing is they won't be submitting it to MyLine. That's all.
Right.
And they can't report on our system.
Everything.
MyLine.
Yeah.
Then we have developed some videos, diabetes awareness. Is there a possibility of adding those also to this program?
Which one? Which video? Sorry, I could not hear you.
No, we have developed in local languages videos, short videos, educating the public and the land. So, is there a possibility of putting them up, upload them also?
Yeah, we can add more links to the site. It's not a problem. You can send it to me, and we will add it up to the site. Not a problem.
Any question from B1? B1 still there?
I think he has got disconnected. He got disconnected.
Right. If there are no any other questions, let us move on to the launching method.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So our GST coordinator Nathu is still here. See how they have done in 317B, 317A. I'll explain to you. What they did is, now after this, the three coordinators in your case is Dr. Sharath, Pramila, and PDG Wilson sir. You guys can coordinate with each other, and of course I will also be assisting. Once you understand the campaign properly, you can have a small Zoom meet with yourself and the RC, ZCs, and the presidents of your district. You can explain to them the project, what it is, and then it's like a formal inauguration of the campaign to your district. Of course, our DG Anita Madam also will be there there, and from there you can actually launch the campaign and ask the president to start campaigning.
That will help them to understand the campaign, will get what benefits they can get, and properly we can channel it up to them. Yes, sir. Something I think so.
Yesterday, 317F started their campaign, and what they did is the entire links they were sent to the region chairperson, zone chairperson, and they had a meeting before that. So once everybody was clear about the project, and when they got the link, they could participate very nicely. And yesterday, within one day, that entire district, 50% of the club have already started participating. So if you just send the link to them and tell them, okay, start the campaign, it will not work properly. So what we can do is three of us, and we can have another Zoom meet. And if you want, I'm always available in WhatsApp. You send me a message, I can reply back immediately. So what you have to do is, I will send you the entire district links. I think I already have sent it to you.
Yeah, already.
Yeah, but don't send the links together in one place. If you how many regions you have in your district?
12.
12. So what you have to do is, you have to involve each of these region chairpersons. You have to send them their links only for their regions, and ask them to forward them to their presidents.
Individual clubs.
Correct. And like I said, if you have another Zoom meet between yourself, that is the team that you have in your district, and the RC and ZCs, so that they can understand the campaign properly, and then they can do it better. So that Zoom meet, you can decide what date you want, and you can have it accordingly.
I just want to know, on the day of the launch, the founder land, we know is also joining with us.
Yeah, I believe.
See, if PDG Wilson sir is calling me, I have no option to say no in that.
Our whole team is there to support in your campaign throughout. Whenever there is a need, we are there.
That's fine. That's fine. And can we have it on 17th? Are you free on 17th or 18th?
17th should be
of September.
Yeah, 17th on Thursday. What time do you guys want to have?
Sort of, because
Thursday.
participation is high in the evenings. We have seen.
Yeah. So we thought of joining PIP and region chairperson, GSTs,
Yes,
the region
perfect.
level.
That's a
Yes.
yes. And by 17th, I will have all the 3 members train well. So that day, they will be the persons who will be presiding the program. So they will be giving the demo, everything. They will.
We will be there. We will be there, but
yeah. Okay.
But
no
let them carry forward. So
8
to 9 p.m.
And
time
8 to 9. Perfect. Yes.
Line Vijay, the
1 hour.
past Nishigana Vijay, whether it is possible 8 to 9, you can get.
Yeah. Okay.
Vinodji, which day it is?
It's a Thursday.
Yeah,
17th Thursday of September.
I am free. I am also.
Rishi program. Line Rupesh has a live show on Wednesday from 7:30 to 9:30 called as Roar with Rishi, and he calls all PIDs from India, and they have a very good interview on that day. That's why if you say anything on Wednesday, you will not be available. So it's on a Thursday.
All right. It's a Thursday.
Yeah.
Yes.
One more thing I will add it. Now we are having an international guest also coming soon in our panel, right?
Okay.
We already conducted 2 shows, and first we had inaugurated with PID AP Singh sir. Second was Pankaj Mehta sir, and tomorrow we are having PID Praveen Chhajre sir.
Okay.
Every Wednesday this show is there. Talk show on the stories of great leaders of Lion.
Right.
When are you having it, Lan Rupesh?
We have a meeting. We have every Wednesday 8 to 8:30 or 8 to 9 on live on Facebook page. Roar with Rishi.
Wednesday, May 16th.
Every Wednesday.
Right.
Yeah, every Wednesday.
Even today you are going to have it.
Yes, today also. And if you are not able to see the live, then also you can go to our page. It will be there.
Yeah. If you can give us the link, so we'll.
I will share with Vinod sir. He will give you. He will pass on to you. Sure.
Okay. Fine.
Yes.
You can share in the chat box.
Yeah.
I will share it. Right now I am on phone, so I won't be able to do it, sir.
Right.
Because on phone there is a restrictions move on Zoom. Yes, sir. Sorry, I interrupted. Sir, continue.
It's anyway.
Now this launch, you can host it. We have the paid version because it will go over
Sir, I have it.
Right.
But 100 is the maximum limit of that.
Right.
Both parties.
Yeah. Anyway, then we can expect both of you to be there on screen on the day of launching.
Sure.
Yes,
I will be there.
We will have more of our team.
Yeah.
We have around
More of
20
our
members
team
in
will.
the team.
Yeah. That will
We
be
will be adding more members.
So you 3 are also now part of our team, no, sir?
Right. Governor.
Someone is entered, I think so. Someone is waiting in waiting room. Victor sir is there, right?
So let's ask him any more questions, and then I think we can wind up.
Yeah, B1 is coming now. Yes.
Yeah. Line Victor sir, you have any questions? Further questions?
You can unmute yourself.
So you got disconnected.
I think that's fine because I have already been with Victor Stefan. I've been answering a lot of questions with him, so it should be fine. Any further from 306 A1? Do you have any more questions?
Yeah, Dr. Sarath. Anything?
And then for the launching ceremony, we'll have the draft agenda. So we need to prepare that and share and forth and back and forth and fine tune it. And is there a limitation in the number of joining the Zoom meeting?
Program?
Is that limit in the number? We can open
yes.
it up. Yeah.
So my Zoom has a limit of 100. Maximum 100 can be accommodated. My paid version is having 100 capacity.
If you want, I can go up to 300.
Yeah, great. Great.
I think 300
Thank you,
should
thank
be
you.
fine. I think 300
300 is very
great,
fine.
And
We can also, I believe that we can also request other districts like A2, B2, B1, C2 representatives. So they will also get to know this one, no?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes. And please welcome your MCC Deva Peter also to the meeting. That will be great. Because I have already updated him. But if you can welcome him from your side, it will be great.
We can invite him also for the launch.
Yeah. I tried to invite him today, but today he had some health issues. I think he has gone to the hospital for some reason. Right. Okay. Okay, so things looking great with the dynamic district 306 A1 and B1. We will coordinate with all the 3 members and anything is there. If we need more Zoom meets, we can definitely meet up again.
Yeah. Okay.
So,
thank you, Lion Vinod Devasya and Lion Rupesh and all the other leaders, especially to Lion Vinod for initiating this program and successfully utilizing the holidays given due to the pandemic and coming up with a very good project. So thank you so much, our Indian partners, and we're looking for your presence at the time of our launching in Sri Lanka. So over to you, District Governor Amita, for the to deliver the.
Thanks. Okay.
Hello.
Yeah. Thank you very much. And this is, I believe that all the details that we got very clear at the moment, and it will be a very useful project. And as it is really affecting not only for the Asian continent and other the countries in the world. So this is a very useful, user-friendly opportunity for us to understand your health condition in relation to diabetic. And so this is very, as I mentioned, any one of us can use it, though the new technology is not available everywhere, but we can utilize whoever is having and can get the feedback from them. And thank you very much, Lion Vinod, giving all these opportunities along with Lion Rupa Mehta. And also you shown us the 317B GST coordinator also. So we can encourage our GST coordinators, and we have the regional basis GST coordinators also, because to support for the district GST, since it is wider spread, and at the moment the COVID is not allowed for us to gather a lot of people, so we divided the regional basis responsibilities so we can utilize all these people. And thank you very much coming with this innovative idea. So we are looking forward your support for our launching as well. And at the very first, I thank personnel from India, and it's really very clear presentations and to the point, and we believe that we will continue the same. And a little bit worried is the other language that we have to utilize. Majority of our club in the southern part of the country may not much aware of these both the languages. Thanks that Tamil is available, so northern part of the country in other districts can be utilized this benefit. And we will try to make this into Sinhala also, if the time permit. And I don't think that not at the launching, but Lion Dr. Samarage can take the initiatives, because he has already converted most of the documents to the Sinhala language, the technical terms, medical technical terms as well. And we have the Lion Keerthi Gunawardhan, the IT coordinator, IT chief coordinator, and he is having a lot of facilities in in his capacity, and he is giving most of the things free of charge for us. So this is one opportunity that we have at the moment in the district. So thank you very much, the Lion Kirti, for giving all this support for us to continue this in with these new technologies. And let me thank our very innovative, very energetic past district governor, Lion Vijay Gunawardena, and during his year that he initiated a lot of activities to the the diabetic activities. And so again, Dr. Samarge is very helpful for us because he's having all the sound knowledge on the subject, and we have introduced the Pamela Abegunawardena for as a young leader for these activities, and the Lion Errol also contributing quite a lot, though he is not attending here. And we must thank all of these, and also especially the B1, the Lion Victor, and in fact he's very good friend of ours, and we will make the country-wise, the multiple to join this program very soon. And because I can talk to my brother governors, and thank you very much once again for all the initiatives. And the PDG, my spouse PDG Upali also, I must thank him. He is always encouraging for these kind of activities along with me. Thank you very much. Yeah.
Thank you.
And just ending notice, I just was looking at Google. Google Translate has Sinhalese language. So I will implement that translation also by today, and I'll have it there. So that your team can also check it also today.
All right.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thanks. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.